Hello again. We're doing now size transformations, and we're going to be first demonstrating enlargements in part one. There's going to be two other parts doing reductions and then inverse size transformations. The first thing I do, K represents the size transformation, how much this is going to be, in this case, getting bigger, because that is greater than 1. The first thing I do is I turn that into a decimal. I take 3 divided by 2 with my calculator, if necessary, and you get that's 1.5. What you're trying to do, this actually, I'm going to label it A, B, and C. And the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm looking for the measurement of OA prime. The measurement of OA prime is going to be equal to the measurement of OA times K. Basically, that is all you really need to know to do this whole thing. You just have to know how to apply it. The measure, you're going to change the A for the B when you're looking for the measurement of OB, and then for C, it's the same formula that you use. The measurement of OA prime is equal to the measurement of OA, so I'm going to measure OA, and because it's an enlargement, I'm going to draw the line so that it's longer. I measure OA and I get 2, and I multiply it by K, which is 1.5, so that means the measurement of OA is equal to 3 centimeters. So then I can locate my new A prime is going to be right over there, and I call that A prime. Now I'm going to look for the measurement of OB prime. That's going to be equal to the measurement of OB times K. Once again, it's the same formula. The measurement of OB prime is equal to the measure, I'm going to measure OB. I line it up, and I see that that's 7 centimeters. Once I'm there, I'm going to draw the line. It's an enlargement, so I know it's going to be on that side. The measurement of OB was 7 times 1.2, 1.5, sorry. The measurement of OB is going to be 10 centimeters when I measure that. Measurement of OB prime is 10 centimeters, so I measure, and there I get B prime. Now I'm looking for the measurement of OC prime. That's equal to the measurement of OC times K. It's always the same formula that you're using. The measurement of OC prime is equal to the measurement, we're going to measure how big from O, there's point O. Point O is where the X is, and I measure from O to C. I see it's 4 centimeters. Once I'm there, I'm going to draw my line, and I draw it beyond because I know it's an enlargement because that's bigger than 1. How much did I get there? The measurement of OC is 4 centimeters, so I go 4 times 1.5. And the measurement of OC prime is equal to 6 centimeters. So I can locate my C prime, and notice that's OC prime. We're always taking our measurements from point O, never from there. It's always from point O. That's a common error. We got 6 centimeters. I mark it off and label it right away as C prime. I'm going to use a different color now. The original goes from A to B to C back to A. So when I'm doing my enlargement, I join A prime to B prime. Sorry. There it is. B prime to C prime. And then C prime goes back to A prime. And there the pink A prime, B prime, C prime is 1.5 times the original A, B, and C. And that's the end of part A.